How to find an Instagram user's location? In this tutorial, I'll show you a couple of ways to check the location information that an Instagram account publicly shares. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, search for the Instagram account you want to check and open their profile. The first thing to do is look at their bio. Many users include their city, country, or business location in their profile description. If you don't see a location in the bio, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of their profile. Now, tap About this account. Here, you may see Account Based In, which shows the country where the account is based. Keep in mind that this only displays the country, not the person's exact address or live location, and it's only available for some accounts. If the About this account option isn't available, it means Instagram doesn't provide that information for the account. And that's it. That's how you can check an Instagram user's publicly available location information. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.